This is a method for resetting the ink absorber counter on your Canon printer and resolving related error codes. 1705B00 are the most common error codes. Canon printers display the waste ink container full error message after a certain number of prints, even though the container is not actually full. Resetting the counter returns the printer to working condition. This method is not for free. However, with less than €10, your Canon printer will work as before. You will need a computer with Windows operating system, an internet connection, and a USB cable. It does not work with a wireless connection. First, check the list to see if your printer is supported. You'll find a link to a printer list in the description. Put the printer into service mode. Turn off the printer, then press and hold the power button. Press the stop button, the triangle, 5 times. Now, release the power button. The printer screen should now show a black-gray block. Different printer models may have different instructions. In the description, there is a link with the instructions for several Canon printers. If the printer does not enter service mode, check for empty or defective ink cartridges. Check the printer queue or other problems, such as the lid not being closed properly. In the Wickerset Connect website, click on Cart. Add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Insert your datas. The email is important. They will send you the reset key here. Select the payment. Agree. Place order. Check your email. You will receive the reset key soon. Now, download the program. Open the program. Insert the reset key. Click Reset. The procedures will start. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Wait until the procedure is completed. Do not touch anything. If you see this message after pressing the rest button, don't worry. The server is busy. Wait 5 minutes and try again. Once finished, you will receive a message. Close the program. Turn the printer off. Wait for 10 seconds. Power the printer on. The counter has been reset. Remember that this procedure will work if your waste ink container is not really full. If it is the first time you have this error, probably it is not necessary to clean or replace it. However, if the error message reappears, check the condition of the ink absorber. In case of need, in the description you will find a link to a video explaining how to remove the waste ink container.